Hi everybody, welcome to Math Series problem number 5. I have a very interesting problem here that can make you really think, and it's a mix of a riddle that uses math and logic and is very interesting. So let's go ahead and start. 14 people are seated at a round table. Each person is either a liar or tells the truth. Everybody says, "Both my neighbors are liars." What is the maximum amount of liars there are at the table? Okay, so what we're going to do is that the red L's represent liars and the green T's represent truth tellers. So, as you can see, everybody at the round table says, "Both my neighbors are liars." Okay, so let's go ahead and start. We have 2 rules. Actually, 3. Well, first of all, if the person in the middle is a truth teller, then both of their neighbors are liars, since they are telling the truth. So, next, if the person is a liar, then there are 2 possibilities. Either both their neighbors are truth tellers, like the first example, or just one is a liar and the other is a truth teller. So, now that we've gotten these 3 rules down, let's go ahead and try to solve the problem. Okay, so here are our rules on the side, and let's see how to solve this problem. Well, to start off, let's assume that there is a truth teller at the top of the table. All truth tellers have to be surrounded by liars, so obviously, if the person on the top is a truth teller, then his neighbors have to be liars. Okay, so next, we can keep going down. The question asks, what is the most amount of liars that we can have at the round table? So we can use rule number 3, which says that one can be a truth teller and the other neighbor can be a liar. So let's assume that there are another set of liars on each side. Next, we cannot have 3 liars in a row, or else they would be telling the truth that both their neighbors are liars. So, we can only have another truth teller on either side. Next, all truth tellers are surrounded by liars, as we said before. So, each truth teller has another liar next to them as a neighbor. Next, going back to rule number 3, since we need the most liars, we need to use rule number 3 again. So, we have another pair of liars. Okay, so next, we cannot have 3 liars in a row, as I said before, so the next people are truth tellers. And finally, we use rule number 2, which is this one, and say that the last person is a liar, since that's our only option. Okay, so now that we have the table complete, this round table and the people there, and the liars and truth tellers, all follow the rules and do not break any. So, we can look at it, and there are 9 liars at the table. So, the question asks again, what is the maximum amount of liars there at the table? And the answer is, the maximum amount of liars there at the table are 9. Thank you for watching Math Series, and I'll see you with another interesting problem. Bye!